guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be conditioning my hair and I'm going to be reviewing the Aussie 3 minutes miracle dip treatment. So this is the Aussie 3 minute miracle moisture dip treatment. It says it's made with Australian macadamia nut oil, which deeply conditions patched hair. 250 ml. It retails for $4.99. You take off this from the bottom, so this is what it comes like. So I took this off. It's really cute. The packaging is really like nice. I like the way it is. It's for really dry, really testy hair. Yes to that. The ingredients in here are aqua. There's a bit of alcohol here. Some things I can't really pronounce. It's got citric acid. It's got macadamia seed oil. It's got some chloride. This thing here, it says remove this cap and squeeze for everyday dispensing. So I'm just gonna squeeze. Ooh, this is what it looks like. So it just comes up like so. Really nice, and it doesn't smell or anything like that. It's really cute, really unique. I've not had a bottle like this. It smells really nice, it smells lovely, it smells divine. So I'm gonna pat my hair into 4 sections. Doesn't need to be properly pat, I'll just use my finger. Better still, I'll pack it into 2 sections. No, 4. 2 is fine. I'll do it into 2 and see how it goes. So I'll pat it into 2 sections like so, and then I will start by spritzing water in my hair. This is water. I'll just spritz water all over my hair. So I spritz water in to make the hair really manageable and easy to kind of, for the product to just slide in very easily. I'm just gonna put on my towel just in case any water is drenching it. Okay, so I'm not gonna apply the conditioner in. From the roots down to the tip of my hair. It feels really soft on my hair. It's quite soft and it's helping my hair to detangle as well. So it's just detangling it nicely as well. I like the slick. I think the main thing for me is that it just feels really soft and it's just helping to detangle. It smells really great. Yeah, looks nice. So I'm just gonna continue like so. Feels really soft on the hair. I like the slick. I like the slick it gives to my hair. Just glides through nicely. Detangling it ever so nicely. So I spritz water all over the hair. Then I put in a bit of Aussie moisture and then I apply it from the roots to the tips because I want everything saturated. This is what the side is looking like. Fully detangled. Then I'm gonna put in some water here I'm gonna spritz in water all over hair and detangle. This is what the hair is looking like so far. Fully saturated with the conditioner. Really detangled the hair very nicely. We're just left with this one. So as usual, just like I did the rest, I'll spritz water in here. After spritzing water in, I put in the conditioner. And I detangle the hair. My hair is fully detangled and it just feels really nice. Just sprinkle a bit more water here just to give it the same, because this side is drying up a bit. Yeah, so when there's more water, it gives it that slick. This is what it's looking like so far. Really, really nice. I really like the way it kind of detangled the hair. My curls are kind of popping on this. Wow, I really love this. So I'll just show you how the hair looks. I just love this conditioner actually. I love the packaging. I love the way it smells. Conditioner or dip treatment, whatever it is. It just conditioned my hair really nicely. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. And I love the way it kind of detangled my hair, like my fingers can run through it nicely. So I love the way it detangled it. Any conditioner that detangles afro hair, to me it's good, okay? So yeah, I love the way it detangled my hair. I love the scent, it's just divine. And I just love the way it applied. So it's got a nice slick to it. It's light, it's not very thick. It's light as well. At the same time, it just has a nice feel to it. So what I'm gonna do is kind of, it says here to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes. But hey, this is afro hair. We're not doing that. I'm gonna leave this for a minimum of 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna leave it for like 20 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. But first I'm just gonna put it into 2 parts like so. And I'm gonna like do it into a twist, just like so, just to get it out of the way. I'll do this into a twist as well. I'm just gonna use my head. This is like a shower cap. I'm just gonna put my shower cap on it. So why I do this is really I want it to really marinate into the hair. I want the products to be working with the body heat, right? So I'm gonna tie this with my satin scarf just to make sure the heat is in there, not going trapped in there, not going anywhere. So I tie with my scarf like so, and I'll just go about my day. I've got some things to do, so I'm just gonna go about my day. I've got a bit of cooking there and there. I'm just gonna come back after I wash this off my hair. I would recommend you leave it for like 20 minutes or so. If you've got afro hair, the product works better then. So I'm gonna leave mine for like 20 minutes, and because I've got to go somewhere, so normally I can leave this for like 2 hours. I really when I put a conditioner in my hair, I make sure it does its money's worth. But because I'm going out, I will just leave it for like 20 minutes and then I'll wash it out. But I'll come back and let you know how long I left it on for. So I left this on my hair for like 35 minutes. So I've washed the hair now after 35 minutes. I put it in like a t-shirt because I don't use a towel on my hair. I think the t-shirt or the cotton t-shirts, they are quite softer. and not as, you know, not as harsh on my hair. So this is how the hair is looking after washing it out. Feels really nice. It feels conditioned. It's not the softest, but it's detangled. It definitely detangled my hair okay. It's okay on the hair. It feels okay. You know, it detangled nicely. I like the slick it gave to the hair. The hair is still detangled. So I've got nothing bad to say about it. It smells lovely. In terms of my final thoughts on this, I actually like it. I like the packaging. I like the way you can pump it through hair. I love the way it looks. I love the scent. It's not very messy. There's not a lot in here. 250. This will last me like 3 times, so it's not something that will last a long time. But it's a very nice product. I love the scent. I love the way it feels on my hair. Definitely soft. Not the softest, but it's soft, and I like the way it detangled the hair. I like the way it feels. I like the scent. The smell is divine. And yeah, I've got nothing bad to say about this actually. So that's my final thoughts on this. I kind of love it. I would buy it again. That's it for my review, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you see my videos as soon as they come. If you're a subscriber already, I love you. I appreciate you. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.